How to turn a Costco rotisserie chicken into a drone and attack a wedding! Step 1, buy the bird for $4.99. QC, greasy, perfectly brined. Step 2, hollow the carcass, mount the frame. Got rolls in the drumsticks, balance the game. Attach DJI guts where the wishbone sits. Propellers and wings, rotisserie bits. Hot glue, GoPro through the crispy skin. Autopilot coated in a gravy bed. Chicken in the sky, bouquet inside. Drone right down on a wedding night. Best man ducks, flower girl screams. Rotisserie UAV shatters their dreams. Chicken in the sky, bouquet inside. Drone right down on a wedding night. Best man ducks, flower girl screams. Rotisserie UAV shatters their dreams. Step 3, upload GPS to the feast. Target coordinates, reception east. Punch flight plan